I've just noticed it said 115 pieces. I think I will buy it just to try and flip it. It just sounds nasty. Oh my god, everything's falling out. Sealed. So it's a long time since I've been in this thrift store. This is the Value Village in Markham, which is about 20 minutes north of Toronto. I usually go to Pickering. I usually go to the east side. But this one, I haven't been in for ages. And the area around here is, it, it reflects what you find in the store, I think, because this is Markham is a big Chinese and Indian area. So let's go inside and let's see if there's any difference with the stuff that we find. But yeah, it's been a couple of years since I've been in here, but since I've even been around the Markham area, to be honest. I usually I don't get out this far much. Let's go in and have a look. So unusually, unlike the other stores, first stop in here is going to be the glass high-end precious things area. Straight away we see it looks like a 70s, 80s digital clock, digital watch, sorry. XCD. $80 for that though. The electrical part is over here. What that is. Yikes. Oh, guys. Oh, these are well stiff. Oh, that's not good. They are rock hard. Absolutely. Oh, that one's okay. They're all rock hard. Any life in it?
Trying to find a where, but I not find it.
Oh, there's no plug.
I can put it on my phone.
So as you know on this channel, I'm always attracted to these clock radios. But yeah, this one looks pretty intriguing. It's quite a large one, to be honest, with a big clock screen. But no price on it. Usual going rate for these is about $15, and they're only like $20 US on eBay asking prices. So it's probably not going to be much in it. Very much like the one I've already got at home. Very little clock then. Decent bookshelf speakers there. Oh, Panasonic. Wow, they pile of stuff up in here. So I'm really interested to see if this will actually work. Let's plug it in and see. Let's take some of the wire off the elastic band. A couple of bits. Plug her in. Oh, and there we go. Oh, that's loud. Not the greatest radio. Yikes. Got some. It just really, I can't be doing that. It just sounds nasty. And the lights aren't very bright, so it's like a 0 out of 10 for me. A nice little Sony, $12.99. Feels really plasticky. Let's take a wander. There's CDs, books and stuff down the bottom end. So they're pretty much well split up. Electrical goods. Here we have all the rest of the stuff, and wow, like everyone's had a clear out for Christmas. This is full. It's full of stuff, but not really anything we're interested in, I don't think. Unless you guys can see anything. There's a few more electronics here. These are all screens and TVs, I think. Some big TVs. $44 for that Sony Bravia. An old TV though. Meccano. Except for it's not called Meccano, called Multi something. For $12. Mm. These old PC games. Anyone play World of Warcraft? Diablo? I remember Sims on the PC. Wow. No other games. Albums. Usually garbage. See anything you like? No, I'm not seeing much. Not sure where the kids' toys are in here. Quite a few more culturally appropriate statues and figurines in this store. Some of them are really nice. Most of the kids' toys are just games. Not actually any kids' toys. Children's toys, should I say. That's cool. A little junior Monopoly with the little icons with it. I like that. Plastic kit. Wow. $6.99. That's really cool. For Firebird. I used to have a model channel a while ago. I probably would have bought that back then. And this is one that's still sealed. Oh, oh, seen it. Sealed. Oh, it's a Harry Potter game. A Harry Potter jigsaw. Don't think anyone noticed me dropping that. There's another junior Monopoly. Oh my god, everything's falling out. Get away from me, I'm not safe around games. Okay, I found the kids part. It's where it says kids. A bit dumb not seeing that. There we go. It doesn't look anything collectible straight away. It's cool. Little money bank. Savings bank. Well, they're asking $5 for that. A sealed one is $55 almost. More fake Meccano. Okay, let's have a look at this. I did actually go to the car and I looked this up, as you can see on the video. I'm going to have a look at it closer. Okay, let's have a look. So see what we get in the box. Wow, looks actually looks quite good condition. All the glass, all the wheel, got 4 tires. Looks like the windshield is Is the windshield missing? Looks like the front and rear windshield is missing. Darn. There's a few bits in the bottom missing. There's a few loose bits. There's a windshield. Oh, there it is. No, it's there. Hold on. So the windshield is there. And the other shield. There's one missing there. So there's 3 missing off that. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 in the bag. Oh, I've got to check this out. 1, 2. Yeah, there's 3 pieces in the bag. So we've got the 3 pieces missing off that board. Got the 4 tires. Perfect. There's a piece missing from there. See if we can find that piece. That's most likely this piece. Yep. Thinking that could be the piece missing from there. And there's a couple of other loose pieces inside. I think that could be a nice little flip. I think all these go in the bag. Let's put them all in there. The seats come off. The twin exhaust is there. Obviously the body's there. Really good condition. And this is a quite a classic kit, apparently. So it says online. And you want $4.99, 1/25th scale. This is a date on this. Is there any date on it? 1994. Wow, 1994 Revel kit. Would you buy it? I think I will buy it just to try and flip it for $5. I think we've got to give it a go. What do you guys think? I've just noticed it said 115 pieces. So I'm just going to count that now and then let's go and check out. So after a count up, it appears that the headlights are missing, the chrome hood, the chrome around the windows, the chrome around the doors. All the chrome pieces are missing. The chrome piece that holds the chrome parts, you know, the shiny bits, it's not there. It's totally. I never even noticed. I'm glad I double checked it. Yeah, that was a close one. I nearly cashed out with that. I was just about to go and cash out, and I just spotted the 115 pieces. Yeah, maybe that's a good tip. Just see, count the pieces. So I started counting them, and I was like, I was getting to 80, 85, and like, I should be in the hundreds by now. There should be 115. It's like 20 pieces missing, and it's all the little chrome pieces, all the little add-ons to make the kit look really nice. The chrome around the window, the chrome around the headlights, chrome around the rear lights. And now that would have been, I'd have probably got away with building it myself if it was for me, but that would have been a hard sell trying to sell that on marketplace with all them pieces missing. So yeah, you know, $5, but you know, the hassle of trying to sell it, no, I don't need that. Thank you. Move on to the next one. I'm glad I checked it though. Really glad I checked it. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys.